Hey guys, back at the very end of the month with, it's technically a 2-page layout because it is 6 by 12, two 6 by 12s. So we're just gonna jump in here with my little project life and go with it. You know what? I didn't mat these with anything, did I? Let's just go with it, see what we get. This is all the February kit, Project Life kit. No, Life Crafted kit, excuse me. This is of my God baby. This is Mr. Malachi. It's gotta be a year ago, maybe 2 years ago. And then the other pages of my goddaughter. Yeah, so anywho, I hope you guys are having a great week. Tis the good old Monday. And I feel like mine went unrealistically smooth. So I'm just waiting. Just waiting. Now the other side's very pink. And this side's very blue for obvious reasons, I think. Unfortunately, I'm not in any of the ones for the other page, the other side of this layout. But you will see why. I wonder if one of these would work good. Pink. It just dawned on me during the weekend that I just haven't had a whole lot of time to jump into this month's layout or this month's kit. So now this is just a Project Life card, 3x4, and I'm gonna just lay it down here. And then I do plan on using these acetate pieces, which I saw Inky Quill used just like a regular old stick glue. So I'm hoping for the best here, guys. We shall see. I should have just got my sticker maker out. Oh no, my glue's stopped up. Worst day ever. Ow. It's okay. So you can see the glue, you can see it in there, so we'll see what it looks like. Because I normally leave these out on my desk because I'm lazy and I don't put them up right away because it's my desk. I didn't realize how many acetate pieces I had taken out. This one says Our Time. The good thing about that is you can still move it a little bit. There's a little play, if you know what I mean. This one needs this big old heart here. Maybe a little, well, it's kind of orange. Okay, it's kind of more yellowish. Okay. So then we've got her, and if you can see, she's stamping. Trying to teach her early. Unfortunately, she has not showed a bit of interest in it since that day, so, you know, can't win them all. Now, I wasn't sure where I wanted this one to go. I'm going to put it right under there. Kind of as the title, you know? Pop a little heart there, and then maybe one of these turquoise ones. Go down here. Oh, I thought I hit the camera with my... I've got a towel on my head for drying my hair, which I just recently chopped all off, because, you know, time for a change. Then remember... Don't want to push it too hard because then it'll move. I don't know. I didn't put any on the other one, so I'll go back and see that in a minute. Now this one I think I need to trim because the top's a little orange. I've noticed I do like keeping most of my pictures right in the middle. Don't know why. I guess because it's supposed to be the center, you know, the focus of it. Of the whole album, I guess. All right. Let's see. Maybe one of these. That bright pink's gonna blend in, so we'll go with a light pink. I don't like that. Okay, let me get them all together. Hold on one second. Okay. Pop this booger up here. I kind of like it. It's not too busy. Just enough, I think. Which is where I've been trying to get at. So, not too far along in this album. Still got quite a few more pages to go. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed. And I hope to see you next time. Bye.